Hey folks, Mikey McGee here. Today is the very day in May that we have on the calendar that we always take off and come here to catch buffalo fish. About 50% of the time, this time of year, it will come a flood right before then and it completely churns the water muddy. 2 years ago, complete mud. Last year we did really good. We caught some really nice buffalo fish, a lot of them. This year, it is the same old story. We're going to come back later and check and see if they don't just kind of postpone and then come back when the water's clear. That's what we're hoping for. But since we can't fish, we are going to go home. We're going to take apart the boat shed that came down in the ice storm and get it fixed back so that we can start our trot lining. That's what we're going to do now. Let's do it. Turn it on, turn it on.
Oh, my
He's trying to get out of the video.
You think I'm trying to run?
He's trying to run. I can't believe
boy.
it. People don't think you're camera shy. They think it's a big joke. He is. He's camera shy, folks. I tell you what. Look at him. Oh, man. What I want to know, son, what do you think about this project? Going good?
There you are here.
What do you think about them boys?
Working good. I gotta go.
Nah, you don't gotta go.
Gotta go.
You don't gotta go.
Gotta go.
Don't gotta go.
I hope you didn't get that abrasion on that day.
Oh, yeah, he did.
He's hurt pretty bad. He gotta go.
Yeah. Hey, listen. Where can you find boys that work like this?
Oh, me.
You? Yeah. Oh, you're something else.
Good boy. Good boy.
Son, you smell like coffee.
I know it's good. I just got done coffee.
Don't leave,
I
son.
got one over here. Amen.
Frank, I'm proud of the boys.
Yeah.
You proud of them? You
I
ain't
did.
real proud of them. What's wrong with you?
Nothing wrong with me. I'm just happy.
You happy, ain't you?
Yeah.
You ain't got nothing else to say, do you?
Uh-uh.
What do you think about him up there about to slip and slide?
Well,
You think people on YouTube's gonna think these boys ought to be a little more cautious?
no. So they pick up 1, 2, 3. I quit.
All right, folks, we knocked it out. Took us about 4.5 hours complete from start to tear down to finish. Joel's up there caulking the old screw holes because we didn't get them lined up just exactly right. I got up there, it was dirty metal. I got up there and sprayed it off. He's going along with a paper towel, daubing it with caulk, so we should be good. Our goal was to put it back with spending as little money as possible. I had to buy 9 boards in order to take care of what was broke and different things. 9 boards cost me $243. That tells you right there what a mess we're in as far as lumber goes. So that's why we saved every piece we could. We're proud to have this up, and now we can park the boat in there. I've had it parked up by the greenhouse for all this time. That's the only place I could figure out to park it where trees wouldn't fall on it when that ice storm hit. But anyway, we've got it fixed. We're about ready to start trot lining for catfish, and this was what I wanted to get done before we could do that. Well, that's all we've got for you today, folks, but we hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.